My name is Jeff Pattison. I farm and ranch in eastern Montana up by Glasgow. Before C&B bought it out, there was a locally owned dealership there, family owned, and they had it for many, many years. Everybody kind of knew who they were, and they knew who we were. Well, C&B came along and bought it, and everybody's a little bit concerned that, gosh, a big company and all these other things, and we're just going to be a number. And I told a couple of guys, I said, it'll never be the same. It'll never be the way it was. It can be better. It's just whatever you want to make of it. It's a twofold deal, not for just me as a producer, but for the salesmen and the managers of the stores around there. The people that are at C&B now, some of them moved up there and they got a residence there and they become part of the community and they're becoming part of our family. Our agriculture community family, which is something that we really need. I think it's a definite partnership.